What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous Porsche Macan 4 EV that is right in front of us here. And the beautiful part about this car is that the color of this car is super sleek and very nice. Check out the lighting that's happening right there, and the color of this car is called oak green metallic neo. Now on this side right here, even though it's in the shade, I think the camera can actually tell that this is a very good looking green color unit of a car. Now we're going to take a walk around from the outside. We're going to start off at the front and then we're going to move on to the inside to show you guys the exterior appearance of this car and the color together with the interior. So let's start off at the front. This right here is the main lights. As you can see, they look absolutely amazing. These are the DRL, the daytime running lights, from what we have always seen with the Porsche Macan. Now for the front hood, as you can see, you have some amazing lines that are happening right on top the hood. Beautiful looking appearance of the car. You got your badging right here as well, looks very nice indeed. And also you get your front opening right here for the bottom bumper, looks very cool, with your main headlights hiding right here at the bumper. So right underneath here you have your amazing matte finish, sort of like rough like texture for your front splitter, all the way going to the side as well. And also at the bottom here you have your airflow going on, since this is a electric car, so you need some cooling that's going on as well, including your main sensor that's hiding right underneath. So that's for the front of the car. Now let's move on to the side, man, dude. Gorgeous looking appearance. Check out the wheels, but fortunately the stand is right here. Let's check out the other side where you guys can take a look at the beautiful wheels. So Bridgestone tires is what they're using. Potenza Sport tire size is basically 235/55R20. So amazing looking wheel. Solid disc brakes on the inside. You got your calipers right there with the Porsche wording right there as well. You also get your silver and black finishes here and there on the wheel. So two-tone finish. Love the wheel arch that goes across the side right there as well. Amazing matte finish. They maintain it all over the place, from the front all the way to the side and the back. Now let's take a look at the side mirrors. As you can see, amazing green mirrors that we have, together with a mixture of this same material that's right underneath the car as well, from the bottom here, including the side of the car as well. So very nice padding they have over here. Beautiful. Check out the door handles. They are visibly like this, which is much more better. You've got some matte finish happening all over the side that goes across, and you got some amazing blacked out roof railing. Very nice indeed. I like that a lot. So let's open up the doors. Check out the interior for the front passenger seat. So you get your green interior. Hopefully the camera is able to capture. Got this black and night green is what they call it. Beautiful finish. You got your Bose sound system located right there. Some storage happening over there as well. Your window adjustments together with your doors. Very nice door openings. Seat adjustments, memory seats is what I mean, together with your unlock and lock. And of course, seat adjustments are right down here as well. So you got your Macan 4 wording right there, looks good. Porsche wording right there on the carpet. Check out the interior seats, man. Looks really nice indeed. Love the green, man. Looks very cool. So you got some amazing leather finishes across the dashboard. Let's hop right in, take a seat, so you guys are able to see how amazing this actually looks. Very clean setup of a front place right here. Love the clock right there as well. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Looks very neat. Once again, the green is really nice, especially when you get a steering wheel that's black. The combo is superb. So let's get right down. Before that, seat belts are in black. You get the Porsche wording right there. Badging, I mean. Take a look at this side right here. Doors are open. Let's take a look at that. Before that, let's jump to the rear wheels. You got your Bridgestone tires, as you can see. Once again, Potenza Sport is what they call it. Tire size is basically 285 45R20. So once again, solid disc brakes. You got your two-tone finish of a wheel with the black and silver. Very cool. Ambient lighting located right there, as you can see. Amazing doors that you guys are getting. Door opening for the handle is right here. Speakers, Bose sound system, window adjustments, compartment storage down there. Looks very cool, man. Interior, once again, black and night green is what they call it. Love it. I love it a lot. Looks very cool. So let's jump right in, show you guys how it actually sits and feels. So I didn't adjust the front seats just yet, but yeah, of course you can still have more room if you wish to. Yep, cool. And you get your shade, as you can see. It's your glass and your shade. So this can be lowered down from this control right here. So very nice indeed. Center here, let's see what's hiding. Of course, you got your cup holder, 2 of them, and yeah, cool. So let's push that down. You got your climate control adjustments over here, and once again, guys, very clean setup of a car. Love the interior with the night green is what they call it. So let's get to the center. See, this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Headroom is good. Fabric finish right at the top. Very nice. So let's get right down. Push this down all the way out, and let's make our way out of the car. So once again, you got your charging sockets over here as well. That's where you charge your car. The wheels looking good. The wheel arch is amazing as well, all over the side. Take a look at the rear. The rear looks fantastic. Love the Porsche wording right there, together with the Macan 4 in this blacked out finish. You got your camera locator right there. Love how the whole piece is actually blacked out. Looks good. The bottom rear diffuser is in this matte finish. Very, very cool and very nice indeed. To open up the rear, I'm not really sure. Oh, there we go. Forgot about that. Did open this before. So open up the boot. You got your storage for the seats. Of course, you can fold down the seats if you wish to. All of them are through here. So the compartment storage is absolutely huge as well. Underneath here, perhaps you have your Bose subwoofer, I believe. This shade, you can actually take it off if you wish to. Take a look. Plenty of storage that you guys are getting for this car. Now let's jump right into the driver's seat and take a look at the driver's side of the doors. Looks really good. Love the finishing right here as well. You got your memory seats, unlock and lock. You also get your window adjustments, side mirror adjustments, your child lock also as well. Closing of the boot, opening up of the front as well on the other side. Check that out. Opened up already, so we'll go there and take a look. Compartment storage down here, Bose sound system, Macan 4 is what they call it. Love the layout. Once again, the interior looks superb. Screen looks fantastic, guys. Of course, it's basically not how to say this, it is blue finish, right? Because there's a plastic right here because it's a brand new car. Start button is on this side. You got your auto foil lighting over here. Your rear fog lamp is on this side. Pedals are in black. Amazing finish of a steering wheel, looks really good. I like it a lot. So lovely setup, very clean setup. Place to keep your phone. I believe you can charge also as well. Other controls right here, ashtray, 2 cup holders. Love the green and the black, very, very cool indeed. So you got your cruise controls, you got your signals over here, you got your wiper over there, and these should be your driving modes so you can adjust. So very cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Finishing is superb. So let's get right down and take a look at the front compartment storage that this car actually offers. So with the front hood actually open, get to admire how amazing this car looks. Plenty of storage space. You got your warning triangle over there. I believe this should be your, if I'm not mistaken, first aid kit. Yeah, cool, nice, very nice, beautiful looking car, man. So let's close this down. Very nice indeed. Beautiful looking car, man. So let's turn on the front lights. Hopefully you guys are able to admire how gorgeous this car looks with the DRLs actually on. Hopefully the camera can actually show it. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front. This car looks absolutely like a real monster, man. A real huge monster. Check out the DRLs. Can you see what I mean? It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So let's move to the rear and close the boot at the back for you guys to see. Check this out. Beautiful looking car. Love the finishing of it, dude. Check that out, man, dude. Amazing lighting that goes across from left to right. This wing, of course, it opens up. Very nice setup, man, dude. Love it. Take one more look around, guys. Beautiful finish of a car. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Porsche or any other cars, different models that these guys have. They have plenty of cars all over the place. Charging stations right outside. Right up there, they got their pre-owned section also as well. And over there, they have tons of other cars that you guys can see. Beautiful place to be at. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.